Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Rio5. The Rio5 is the hatchback version of the Rio because it comes as a sedan or a hatchback. Car comes with machined alloy wheels, comes with fog lights, and comes with a sunroof. As we go down the car, you'll notice that there's a sign in the window that says Sirius XM is on. You get a 3-month free trial of Sirius XM radio with this car. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. Some of the controls, you can turn on the active eco or you can turn it off for a little bit better gas mileage when it's turned on. On the steering wheel you have cruise controls and audio controls as well as other functions for the car. On the odometer we're only showing 17,258 kilometers. As we get into the car, Sirius XM is showing on the radio. If I shift into reverse, we have a reverse camera. We have our climate control. Down below the climate control, we have auxiliary USB port and also Kia's UVO, which is your voice, for voice commands. And down here, we have heated seats in the front, heated cloth seats. Putting that back into park. There's a picture of that sunroof. Absolutely gorgeous black cloth seats. Driver's seat is height adjustable. Plenty of room in the back for passengers. And those seats are a 60-40 split, so we can fold them down, both of them or one of them, depending what you're moving. By the way, this is an EX Plus trim level. And in the back, plenty of places to carry anything you need to carry. You can carry suitcases, you can carry boxes, you can carry sports equipment, and there's a cargo shelf in there that you can hide your stuff from public view. So once again, this beautiful little Kia Rio5 EX Plus trim level is at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Best way to make an informed decision about this little Rio as to whether it'll work for you and your family is to bring the family down. Come on down and drive the car. It's the only way you'll be able to tell how well it's going to work for you.